Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all friends around the world. My name is Abdullah. I'm the GAM spokesperson and also a member of the GAM negotiating team that led to the signing of the peace accord between the Free Aceh movement and the Indonesian government, which ended the more than 33 decades of war in the province of Aceh. Apart from that, as you may have known, there were a lot of casualties, not only during the conflict, the armed conflict between the Free Aceh movement soldiers fighting against the Indonesian armed forces. The outburst of tsunami has also caused a lot of death, of more than 200,000 dead and some 500,000 displaced people whose homes have been ruined by the tsunami. But in fact, this was one of the catalysts that led to the peace negotiation in Helsinki. Briefly, the struggle of GAM has always been for its right of self-determination and illegal transfer of sovereignty of the Indonesian government from the Dutch to Indonesia. And since then, GAM has been struggling for many years. And in 2000, that was the first peace negotiation, but it did not last long. And when the Tokyo talks failed in 2002, if I'm not mistaken, there were no peace talks. Only until tsunami hit hard Aceh that it exposed the ongoing conflict that led to that we come back to the negotiation table since 2004, officially in 2005. It was mediated by the Crisis Management Initiative led by President Ahtisaari of Finland and supported by the European Union. And the negotiation lasted for 5 rounds, which dragged on until the 15th, where we signed the memorandum of understanding, and that ended the armed conflict. Today, GAM commemorates its 45th anniversary of its struggle throughout the world peacefully. In Aceh, all over Aceh, people are holding on messes, gatherings, and in different areas. And we have seen the convergence of maybe more than 1,000 GAM supporters and also GAM soldiers, former GAM soldiers, and also some civilians to commemorate this auspicious event in the town of the capital, Banda Aceh. But at the same time, we have seen the movement of troops, and this causes concern of the peaceful environment that we have had for so long. But at the same time, it is also worth to mention here that during the peace process for the last 15 years or more, GAM has adhered, has showed full commitment to the peace accord. Since the signing, we have witnessed that the Indonesian government is pulling the strings. Although we have highlighted these issues of concern to the mediator, the CMI, the European Union, but the ongoing process is still yet to be fulfilled, and the people of Aceh felt that they have been betrayed. In this opportunity, we call upon the international community, the peace-loving people of the world, to assist in giving us the opportunity to live peacefully just like as any other nation, and that the Indonesian government should fulfill whatever that have been agreed. And especially we call upon the European Union as the sole, as the major supporter of this peace agreement, to continue overwatching the whole peace process, because the monitoring of the Aceh monitoring mission comprises of European member countries and also ASEAN did not last long in Aceh. And the processes that have been going on for the last 16 years, almost 16 years, have not been fully implemented. Although Aceh has the right to establish bylaws of its own, because it was mentioned that apart from the 6 authorities of the central government, the rest is up to the Aceh government. There are many regulations that have been retrieved, blocked, and even some are still stagnated. For example, the aspirations of the Acehnese to raise the flag is being denied, although this has been legally according to the process. Today, many Acehnese are coming to Banda Aceh to raise the flag and to demand for the legal process that the flag of Aceh be raised in accordance to the accord of the MOU Helsinki. And not only that, as a first step to demand the full implementation, we also demand for all the unimplemented issues that have yet to be settled, so as Aceh, the people of Aceh, could live in a dignified way. After all, the whole theme, the whole process is about peace and dignity in Aceh. We have maintained peace for the last 16 years, but Aceh is still yet to regain its dignity as any nation in the world. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.